Hello, dear students. I am Dharamveer. I welcome you all to my channel. Today I have a video for you on the surface area and volume. The question is, the floor of a rectangular hall has a perimeter 250 meters. If the cost of painting the four walls at the rate of rupees 10 per meter square is 15,000, find the height of the hall. Let the length L, breadth B, and height BH. Therefore, perimeter will be 2 into L plus B, and that is given 250. Now you are given the total cost rupees 15,000 and the rate for the painting on the four wall is rupees 10 per meters. So cost of 1 meter square painting is rupees 10. So total cost rupees 15,000. Therefore, total area of four walls will be 15,000 divided by 10. That will be 1500 meters square. Now the formula for area of four walls, that is 2 into L plus B multiplied by H. Therefore, 2 into L plus B into H will be equal to 1500. So therefore value of H will be 1500 divided by 2 into L plus B, and L plus B has been given 2 into L plus B has been given 250 meter. So 1500 divided by 250, that will be 6 meters. This is the answer. The height of the hall will be 6 meters. So this was the question to find the height of the hall if the total cost for painting was given and the perimeter was given. Now we'll take up the second question. Here is the next question. The paint in a certain container is sufficient to paint an area equal to 9.375 meters square. So how many bricks of dimension 22.5 centimeter multiply 10 centimeter multiply 7.5 centimeter can be painted out of this container? So dimension of one brick has been given and the total area which can be painted out of the paint contained in a container that is given. So you have to find out the number of the bricks. Total surface area of one brick will be 2 into LB BH plus HL. 2 L is 22.5 centimeter, B is 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter multiplied by 7.5 centimeter, 22.5 centimeter, and the S is 7.5 centimeter. 225 centimeter square, 75 centimeter square. If we multiply 22.5 with 7.5, so that will be 168.75 centimeter square. So add all these. Six, 7, 13 plus 2, 15 plus 1, 16, 2 to 4 centimeter square. So multiply by 2, that will be 937.50 centimeter square. 937.50 centimeter square, that will be the surface area of one brick. So convert this into meter square. So we know that 1 centimeter square is equal to 1 upon 100 multiply 1 upon 100 meter square. So this will be equal to 937.50 divided by 0.9375 meter square. So this is the surface area of one brick. So number of the bricks can be find out by dividing this area to the given area. So given total area (9.375 meter square). So the total number of bricks will be 9.375 meter square divided by 0.09375 meter square, and that will be 9375 upon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9375. Answer is 100 bricks. The total number of bricks which can be painted out, that will is 100 bricks. So this was the answer for the question. So here is the next questions. A cubical box has each edge 10 centimeters and a cuboidal box is 10 centimeter wide, 12.5 centimeter long and 8 centimeter high. Which has the greater lateral surface area and by how much? Which box has the smaller total surface area and by how much? So this is a cube of 10 centimeter each edge of 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter long, 10 centimeter wide, 10 centimeter high. Whereas this cuboid is 12.5 centimeter length, 10 centimeter breadth and 8 centimeter height. So let us find first the lateral surface area for cube. Each edge of cube is 10 centimeter. That is A is equal to 10 centimeter. The lateral surface area will be 4a square. 4 into 10, so 4 into 100, 400 centimeter square. That is the lateral surface area of the cube. Now let us find lateral surface area of cuboid. For cuboid, L is 12.5, B is 10 and H is 8. The lateral surface area will be 2 into L plus B into height. L is 12.5, B is 10 and H is 8. 2 into 22.5 multiplied by 8. 45 multiplied by 8, that is 360 centimeter square. So just see, the lateral surface area of the cuboid is 360 centimeter square, whereas for lateral surface area for the cube is 400 centimeter square. So this shows that cube has more surface area, lateral surface area than the cuboid, and by the difference will be therefore cube has more lateral surface area by 400 minus 360, 40 centimeter square. So this is the difference for the lateral surface area. Now we will find the total surface area. Total surface area of cube, that is 6a square. So 6 into 100, 600 centimeter square. The total surface area of cuboid 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, 12.5 multiplied by 10, 10 multiplied by 8 plus 8 multiplied by 12.5, 125 plus 80 plus 100. The total will be 305 multiplied by 2, 610 centimeter square. The total surface area for the cuboid is 610 centimeter square, whereas the total surface area of the cube is 600 centimeter square. So you were asked the question, which box has the smaller total surface area and by how much? So this shows that cube has smaller total surface area and by how much? 10 centimeter square. So we will find the difference. So therefore cube has lesser total surface area by 610 centimeter square minus 600 centimeter square, that is 10 centimeter square. This is the difference between the total surface area of the cube and the cuboid. So this was the questions asked to you. So here is the next questions, that is for cylinder. The curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of height 40 centimeter is 88 centimeter square. Find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. So this is a diagram for cylinder of height 14 centimeter. You have to find the diameter. Diameter is twice of the radius. The radius, this much is the radius, that is r. So diameter will be 2r. Solution: height height of the cylinder, that is 14 centimeters. So let the radius be r centimeters. Therefore, curved surface area of cylinder, so given formula is 2 pi RH. This is the formula for curved surface area of the cylinder. So 2 into pi into r, pi की वैल्यू 22/7, r और h की वैल्यू है 14 सेंटीमीटर. That has become 2 into 22 into 2, that is 88 centimeter square multiplied by r. 88 r centimeter square. And since the given value is 88 centimeters, therefore 88 r 88 centimeter square. So r will be 88 divided by 88, that is 1 centimeter. So diameter will be 2r. So 2 into 1, that is 2 centimeters. So this is the answer for the question. So you have to find out the diameter for the cylinder, that is 2 centimeters. Now let us take another question. So here is the next question. It is required to make a closed cylindrical tank of the height 1 meter and a base of diameter 140 centimeter from a metal sheet. How many square meters of the sheet are required for the same? So this type of the cylinder which is closed on both sides, of height 1 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, that is the height, and the diameter is 140 centimeter. The radius will be 70 centimeters. Height of the cylinder, that is 1 meter. That 1 meter means 100 centimeters. Diameter 140 centimeter. The radius will be 70 centimeters. If you want to change it into meter square and meter, the radius will be 70 upon 100 meters, 0.7 meter. The height is 1 meter. So you have to find the total surface area, this cylindrical portion as well as the top and the bottom. The total surface area of the cylinder is given by the formula 2 pi r into r plus h. 2 into 22 upon 7, R is 0.7 meter, multiply 0.7 meter plus 1 meter. Two into 22 upon 7, 7 upon 10, multiply by 1.7, that will be meter square. So 2 into 22 upon 10, 17 upon 10 meter square. So 2 into area, the total area will be 44 multiplied by 68 into 4, 74. 7.48 meter square. So calculation is 17 into 4, 68, 17 into 4, 68 plus 6, 74. 748 divided by 100, that is 7.48 meter square. So this was the answer. The next question is, a cylindrical pillar is 15 centimeter in diameter and 3.5 meter height. Find the cost of painting the curved surface area of the pillar at the rate of 12.5 rupees per meter square. So this is a cylindrical pillar of height 3.5 meter and the diameter is 50 centimeters. The radius will be 25 centimeters. Height of the pillar, which is in the form of a cylinder, that is 3.5 meter. Diameter 50 centimeter. The radius will be 50 divided by 2, that is 25 centimeters, and that will be 25 upon 100 meters. Now the curved surface area of the pillar to pi r h. 2 into 22 upon 7, r is 25 upon 100 and the h is 3.5 meters. 2 into 22 upon 7, 25 upon 100, 35 upon 10. तो 7 से कैंसिल किया 35 को 5, 25 से कैंसिल किया 100 को 4, 5 से कैंसिल किया 10 को 2, 2 से 2 को कैंसिल किया ये, तो आ गया 22 अपॉन 4, that is 11 upon 2 meter square. Now you have to find the cost of the painting. Cost of painting 1 meter square, that is 12 point rupees 12.5, and the total cost for painting 11.2 meter square, 11 upon 2 multiplied by 12.5, that is 20. So divide by 20. So this much will be the total cost, that is rupees 68.75 paisa. 68 rupees and 75 paisa, or rupees 68.75. So this will be the total cost for painting. The next question is, the curved surface area of a right circular cylinder is 4.4 meters square. If the radius of the base is 0.7 meters, find its height. A very simple and a very short questions. You just have to find the height of the cylinder. Radius of the cylinder is 0.7 meter. Let the height H, curved surface area, (4.4 meters square). So write the formula for curved surface area is 2 pi r h is equal to 4.4 meters square. So 2 into 22 upon 7, r is 0.7 meter and h 4.4 meters square. So 2 into 22, 7 upon 10 into h, 44 upon 10 meters square. So 44 upon 10 h meter is equal to 44 upon 10 meter square. Therefore, h will be 44 meter square I am writing this side. 44 upon 10 meter square divided by 10 upon 44 meter. One meter. That is the height. So this is the answer. The answer is 1 meter. The next question is, the inner diameter of a circular well is 3.5 meter. It is 10 meter deep. Find number 1 its inner curved surface area, and number 2 the cost of plastering this curved surface area at the rate rupees 40 per meter square. So this is the well, 10 मीटर डीप. एक कुआं 10 मीटर गहरा खोदना है, उसके बाद उसको प्लास्टर करना है, अंदर से उस पर सीमेंट यानी प्लास्टर करना है. उसका जो डायमीटर है, अंदर से डायमीटर है, वह 3.5 मीटर और गहराई कितनी है उसकी 10 मीटर. inner diameter (3.5 meter). So therefore radius, inner radius will be 3.5 divided by 2, 1.75 meter. The height is height or depth. Height for a straight cylinder and depth for the well. Depth again 10 meter. Now you have to find the curved surface area. Curved surface area. Inner curved surface area, same formula, 2 pi RH, 22 upon 7. R is 1.75 meter and as H is 10 meter. 22 upon 7, 175 upon 100 multiplied by 10 meter square. So cancel करें, 25, 0 से 0 कैंसिल हुआ, 2 से 10 कैंसिल हो गए, 5 आया, 5 से 25 को कैंसिल किया 5 और मल्टीप्लाई होकर आ गया 110 मीटर स्क्वायर. सो दिस इज द इनर कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द वेल. तो एक आंसर आ गया हमारा, इनर कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया, दैट इज 110 मीटर स्क्वायर. नाउ यू हैव टू फाइंड द कॉस्ट फॉर प्लास्टरिंग. Cost for plastering 1 meter square is equal to rupees 40. The total cost will be of plastering 40 multiplied by 110, that will be 0,044. So rupees 4,400, that is the answer. Rupees 4,400, that is the answer for plastering. So next question is, in a hot water heating system, there is a cylindrical piping of length 28 meter and diameter is 5 centimeter. Find the total radiating surface in the system. So you have to find the outer curved surface area of this cylindrical water heating system of length 28 meter. So height (28 meter), diameter 5 centimeter. So therefore R and radius 5/2 centimeter. So 5/2 divided by 100, that will be 5/200 meters. So you have to find the outer curved surface area. Two pi RH. सेवन से 28 को कैंसिल किया 4, 5 से 200 को कैंसिल किया 40, 4 से कैंसिल किया 10 और 2 से कैंसिल किया 5, दैट इज 22/5 मीटर स्क्वायर, 4.4 मीटर स्क्वायर. So that is the answer. The total curved surface area is 4.4 meter square. That is the total radiating surface in the system. So students, I have given you the solutions for cylindrical questions, the questions based on cylinder as well as on the cube and the cuboid. So in the next video we will take some questions on the cone and sphere and hemispheres. So I request you all to like and share the video. Thank you. Have a nice day.